Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix video playback issues, problems and errors on Windows 11. So click on Start, Settings, then here click on Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, scroll down and click on Video Playback Run. Now select issue, like if you have issue in video playback or display adapter setting, and also guys you can select I want to continue with this troubleshooter. So you will see install the HEVC code for 4K playback. Click on next. Then close and restart. So this way guys you can fix and resolve video playback issue. Thanks for watching.